I grew up on the south side of Chicago, and I used to go to these kind of races at what was it called? Raceway Park in Blue Island, and I've never seen a race film like this. Could you guys talk about the approach? It's really poetic and avant-garde, and it makes you feel like you're there, and the fucking sound blew us all out, I'm sure. Maybe talk about your approach to doing that.
Greg and I ought to hear you. I'm working at that racetrack. It's really, well, I wanted you to feel what it was like. Two perspectives. First, what it's like to be a fan watching the race, and also what it's like being in the pits in this particular place. And I also wanted to feel what it's like to be a driver. And this kind of experience is, it makes you feel alive. I mean, it reminds you what it's like to be human again, because you're not texting. This place you can't text. You can't text. You can't talk on the phone. You just feel, charged and young, and I think that's why everybody's, you see like Barbara and Jim, they're 87 years old, they wear their NASCAR uniforms, and you see that they have no more pain when they're sitting there at the track, and the same with some of these drivers. So it's, so I wanted you to experience it. We worked a lot on the sound. We worked on the sound for, probably, I would say a month. We also collected sound along the way. We formed a sound library, so we have microphones on, 15 microphones, and we have 20 cameras welded into cars as well. So we have microphones on exhaust pipes, carburetors, hands, feet, neck. You hear them breathing in the helmet, just so you can experience what they experience.
Well, it was dope, man. It was very visceral.
Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate that.